And welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to manage your Lazypay account. You see, managing your Lazypay account primarily involves using the Lazypay mobile app. How? The first thing you can do when you want to manage is access your account. So open your Lazypay mobile app on your smartphone and log in using your registered mobile number and OTP. Then you can check the credit limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend using Lazypay. It is prominently displayed on the app's dashboard. You can also view transactions. You see transaction history. It's labeled something like transactions or statements or usage. Here you see a list of all the purchases made using Lazypay, including merchants, the date, and the amount. Check it to verify it is actually yours and there's no fraudulent activity. You can also track your outstanding bill. The app will show you your current outstanding bill amount, which is the total of your transactions that are due for repayment. Check it. Verify it is accurate. If you have any problem, consult customer care. You can also make repayments on the app. You see, Lazypay provides options for repaying outstanding bills. You can typically find a pay bill or repay option in the app. You can usually pay the full amount, or if eligible, you can convert your dues into AMIs, that is equated monthly installments. The app will guide you to the payment process, which may involve using various payment methods linked to your account. You can also view statements on your app. Exactly, it provides past statements, that is a detailed breakdown of your spending and your payment history for specific billing cycles. So you can look for a section like statements or account history in the app. You can also manage Lazypay, that is Lazycard, if applicable. If you have a Lazycard, there will be a dedicated section in the app to manage it. This is where you can activate your card, set or reset your PIN, manage transaction limits, enable or disable online or offline transactions, and temporarily or permanently block your card if needed. The app usually has a help or support section where you can find frequently asked questions and contact customer care if you have any issues or questions about your account. This is how to manage your account. Hope you found this video helpful.